Well, personal experience was great. Love the office. I think the staff is great. Doctor's very attentive. Technology is amazing and seems state of the art as it gets. And I think schedule is very flexible because I work pretty late, so make you guys stay pretty late. Thanks for that. Yeah, so overall, no complaints whatsoever. It was definitely an adjustment. That probably first week, definitely those first few days, eating, sleeping, just kind of noticeable discomfort. At that 5 to 7 day mark afterwards, it was felt pretty normal at that point. So, and I was expecting it at the week or week and a half mark. I thought it was working, and then I felt the pop, and I was like, aha, there it is.
And then during the turn, I was able to feel the pop because usually it's so easy to turn. And then I went to turn it, and I was like, oh, gotta use some elbow grease. And then I turned it, and then we almost heard it all pop. So turning it was fine. I think that when you first do it, I kept kind of almost slipping. So you really have to make sure you get the wrench in it and make sure it's snug and then turn. Because if you don't, I accidentally hit his bottom row of teeth that hurt. So
couple teeth bangs in there.
Exactly. So you just have to make sure it's really stable before turning. But it was pretty easy. So no problems.
That you're in good hands, and listen to the doctors and staff, and they will guide you where you need to go. For my case personally, like Perios would just sell gum grafts, and even if it won't work or fix the problem long term, your analysis of the situation, it was not that. And I think that's very rare.
It was very honest.
Yeah, very, very upfront, honest, like root cause of the problem, like not actually just trying to sell surgeries. A skeletal issue with the roots and the bone structure that wasn't identified like 15 years ago when I had braces, and maybe wasn't possible to identify. So
it's easy to take advantage of patients who are uneducated. And this is almost like primary health care. Where you're getting to the root, you're trying to avoid the situation instead of just treating it at the end, and you just play catch up, and so we do appreciate that.